Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 9. Gomawo, which means thanks in Korean. Again, our word for today is gomawo, which means thank you. This is an informal way of saying thank you. Therefore, we could use this to address our friends and the younger ones. How do we write gomawo in Hangul? This is composed of 3 syllables. The first syllable is go. This is written by joining first a giok character followed by an o character. The second syllable ma is written by drawing first a miyam character followed by an a character. The third syllable wo is written by drawing first a no sound or a placeholder iyang followed by the u character followed by the o character. And then we just need to combine this to form the Hangul of the word gomawo. Now, if you could remember, we already discussed 감사합니다. And just like gomawo, 감사합니다 is used to say thank you. But gomawo is used to informally say thank you to our friends and younger ones, while 감사합니다 is a formal way of saying thank you, which we could use to address the older ones and the higher ups. And with that, you've just learned gomawo. Now let's proceed to our word recap. Word number 1, 안녕하세요. This is an informal way, but this is considered polite and casual way of saying hello. Word number 2 is 안녕하십니까. This is the formal way of saying hello in Korean. Word number 3 is 감사합니다. This is the formal way of saying thank you. Word number 4 is 죄송합니다. This is a formal way of saying I'm sorry. Word number 5 is 저기요. This is used to say excuse me, and this is also used to call the attention of someone. Word number 6 is 잠시만요. This is used to say just a second or just for a while, and we could also use this to pass through a crowd. Word number 7 is 안녕히 가세요. This is used to say goodbye, but to be specific, this is used when you're staying and the others are leaving. Word number 8 is 안녕히 계세요. This is also used to say goodbye, but this is used when you're leaving first and the others are staying. And our word for today, don't forget, word number 9, 고마워. This is an informal way of saying thank you. Congrats! Up next, on Dae-Hangul, we're going to discuss 안녕. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 25. 고마워요, which means thank you in Korean. The word 고마워요 is another way of saying thank you, but this is considered less formal than 고맙습니다 or 감사합니다. So far, we have 6 terms for thank you in Korean. 감사해요 and 고마워요 are considered standard and polite way of saying thank you. 고마워 and 고맙다 are considered informal way of saying thank you, while 감사합니다 and 고맙습니다 are considered formal ways of saying thank you. Therefore, for the corporate setting or when addressing the authority, it is more likely appropriate to use 감사합니다 or 고맙습니다. When we are talking to our friends or to people that are younger than us, we can use 고마워 or 고맙다. When we are talking to close people that are older than us, we can use 감사해요 or 고마워요. And with that, you've just learned 고마워요. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 15 to 24. But don't forget our word for today, word number 25, 고마워요, which means thank you. Word number 24 is 친구, which means friend. Word number 23 is 그만해, which means stop it or enough. Word number 22 is 좋다, which means good or great. Word number 21 is 감사해요, which means thank you. Word number 20 is 고맙습니다. This is another way of saying thank you, but this is a formal way of saying thank you. Word number 19 is 고맙다, which means thank you in an informal manner. Word number 18 is 잘했어, which means stay well. Word number 17 is 잘가, which means go well. Word number 16 is 주세요, which means please or please give me. Last for our review, word number 15, 맥주, which means beer. Congrats! Up next on Dae-Hangul, we're going to study about the word 잠깐만. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.